Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of Success with God in Diwoko. Hello, I'm Dr. Tamkel, right? And today I actually want to share some incredible information with you about a country that offers financial rewards to immigrants. Can you hear that? All right. Hey guys, we are talking about 3,444 euros, which is like about 2.6 million naira if you're a Nigerian seeing this video right now. 2.6 million naira. Think about that. The country is called Lithuania. All right, now before we dive in, okay, if you are new here, you don't want to miss our life transforming content. So I suggest you subscribe now to keep updated. Don't forget to like and share this video now to those who might need or this particular information right now, okay, so that they can benefit from it as well. Now, Lithuania, okay, I'm trying to be careful with it. Lithuania, a beautiful country located in the Baltic region of Europe, is not just known for its stunning landscapes, right, and the rich history as it is. It is also gaining attention for its immigrant-friendly policies. So if you are someone ready to succeed big time in life with God on your side, all right, Lithuania might be the perfect place for you. You can't miss this opportunity, I'm telling you. All right, now, okay, to get started, I will need to visit the website, okay, workinlithuania.com. Workinlithuania.com. It is a platform that provides up-to-date information about job opportunities for immigrants in Lithuania. The last time I checked, they had about 300 jobs available for you. Now, once you are on the website, use the advanced search feature to find jobs, okay, that match your interests and qualifications. So whether you are in business management or any other field, you can easily find relevant job openings right in there, okay, waiting for you. So please hurry because the competition is high, right? So go in there and start working out. Now make sure to carefully review the job requirement before applying. You have to do that. Many of the positions are open to English speaking applicants, all right? But then you don't necessarily need to learn their language, all right? However, knowing the language can be an advantage, a major big advantage for you, okay, if you can take time to learn the language, all right? Now once you found the perfect job right there, right, simply click on the apply button and then you're on your way to a new adventure in Lithuania, a wonderful and beautiful country that's giving you just dashing out money like that, all right? Now before you apply, take the part, okay, that talk about before and after moving to Lithuania section, right? And there you'll find valuable information about relocating with your family, including your beloved pets, all right? Maybe cat, a dog, whatever it is you want to go along with, right? That's an opportunity for you to go with it. Now, you're also going to learn about necessary documents you need to prepare for a smooth transition. All the documents are in there. So just go in there, click in there, the normal documents are there, right, for you to take along. Now, here is the exciting part, like I mentioned earlier on. The government is giving to you, okay, about 3,444 euros. A lot of money. That's about 2.6 million naira given to you. So maybe you may be a medical doctor, an accountant, an engineer, whatever field you find yourself. That amount is spelled out for you. It's being kept aside for you. A government is giving that to you. Can you be that? I wish you have that here in Nigeria. Okay, man, that is mind blowing. So what are you waiting for? Step in there because this will actually go to expire around 2025. So you don't want to miss it. All right, you don't want to miss it because, like I told you, the competition is high. So dive in there right now and start working. Now, for more information and deeper knowledge about this, okay, I have actually put together a book that is actually contain all the details you need outside of the website. And of course, if you need my assistance to help you through the whole process, I'm here for you. I'm going to guide you and put you through to get it done for you. All right. So if you're not good at navigating internet, call on me. All right. I'm going to get it done for you with a little token. Anyway, I can help you come up with a well-crafted resume, a well-crafted CV, or a cover letter. Remember, I told you in my previous video that cover letter is not a love letter. Okay, so you need to be careful because if you write anyhow, you come up with the wrong result at the end of the day. So if you really want to get it done properly and you want them to offer the job to you on time, and then you can be to have your 3,454 euros, right there in your pocket, then you need to come up with what a well-crafted cover letter alongside with the resume or a CV for that matter. So you don't want to miss this opportunity. Now I need to go to this website right now. It is called workinlithuania.com. I'm going to probably drop it at the description section of this video, right? And then click on the link, right? And then go there and apply very fast. Hey, don't waste your time. Imagine we are talking about 3,444 euros, okay? Nigeria government is not going to give you that, right? But Lithuania is giving that to you right now. So don't waste your time. Go in there now, quickly click the link, apply now, go through the process, and everything will be done for you. But if you cannot, like I told you, don't need an agent. But of course, if you need my service, let me know. I'm going to help you to take good care of that. This is the work, all right? I will need you to quickly subscribe before you leave. Subscribe, okay? And then like and share this video to as many persons as possible, because you don't want to step away from you being your brother's keeper. So please be your brother keeper by sharing these videos, like and share it so that others can also benefit from it. I want to say thank you for watching this video. Until I go to come your way again, this is Dr. Tam K, and this is the work, all right? One connection at a time. I'm going to see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye for now. See you there.